and he never saw me again. He begged me not to divorce him, and I was like, nope, divorce. But I got sober, you know. I am not a great person. Anyway, so that's example number 1. Let's see. Fresh start. Fiance passed away. I move automatically here, never go back home. I'm one of those people that, like, as much as I can, at least, you know, I'm very, I could fit everything that matters in my car. I don't care about the furniture. I don't care about the material things. Couple of things of outfits, clothes, things I actually need, and things that actually mean things to me. I do have some memorabilia and stuff like that, or gifts that mean a lot to me. I can fit it all in my car. I hit the highway. I'm not looking back. When he passed away and went on a 3-day hiking, camping trip by myself in the woods in the Appalachian Mountains, or the trail, by myself. And I went off trail. I didn't stay on the trail. I went off trail where there was nobody. I was alone in the woods. I did not care if I died. I was like, I don't fucking care. Had the greatest, most clarifying moments. But it's also like, that's insane. Now that I think about it, I'm like, what was I thinking? I was up and went. So sometimes all it takes is to say, I'm gone. Dude, I barely spent any money either. So if you're having a hard time with money, dude, you don't even hike. I've hitchhiked to places. I've hitchhiked all the way to Georgia before, like, when I was super young. So, bad advice. I know, bad advice. But if you need a fresh start and you're in a bad situation, just get the fuck up. Go on the highway. Get out of here. Go. Sorry. It's not that bad. I literally just had a backpack on my back for 3 days in the Appalachian trails by myself, and it was amazing. I barely ate. You know, I had like bars, I had dry foods, I did have lots of water. I bathed in one of the fucking rivers, like, with no soap, shampoo, nothing. I just didn't give a fuck. I suggest that. That was fun. It was a little crazy because, I mean, I was mountains, but the trail definitely, well, I kind of had mountains, not mountains, but like, I guess it was a mountain. I had to go on these little trails that were like literally just a foot wide on the side of like mountains or big rock hills, like pretty tall actually. It was like 4 stories. I'm all the way there, and the only way to make it around this rock mountain, whatever it is this little trail where you have to hug it. And I have a backpack on and boots. Like, I had to hug this trail to get on the other side. I could have died. I could have fell off and nobody would have ever found me. I was off trail. It was amazing. I have pictures, guys. I have pictures of me swimming naked in the river. It was great. It was amazing. I was such a hippie. That's when I had dreads and like I was naked on this trail like a lot. Nobody was around. My clothes were wet. I put them in my bag and went on the trail. Thank God nobody saw me. Hey, baby. I can post the pics. I have the pics. It wasn't in my modeling days. It was like when I didn't give a fuck, so. But yeah, I'll post them on Instagram if you guys want to check them out. It was a great time. Just get up and go.